Hi, Anand. You're a different market participant. Few follow technical, few follow only fundamental, few combine techno and funda. But there are some certain investors who are having an edge over others. They follow corporate filing properly because all hidden numbers, whatever you see on a numbers, no, those are already discounted. Whatever move you see in a chart, those are lying in a corporate filings. If you are tracking corporate filing properly, you'll be getting real gem of informations. Now, what we have done in valuepicker.in, so we have given a corporate filing section where we kept all announcement, all important announcement. One or other way, companies is disclosing those important information to exchanges. We kept it in a way. So if you want to just check certain information that you want to check some order, so you'll be able to just by one click, you'll be able to see all the orders of this company. You don't have to search in a different way on like that. Every company you don't have to move and check. So these are the company got a order. These are the preferential issue. Now say you want to see certain priority filing. What is priority filing? Some of the inflection point of the company. Company is taking a major steps. Company is doing something. So that is why we kept no that how smart investor think. They follow certain corporate filings that we kept in a manner so every retail also can track all this information more organizedly and make become a smart investor as well. Being a retail, no, you don't have to think of, okay, no, I need to take a ordinary path. See, it may take little bit of time because you may be doing first time. So many smart investor they do regular basis. But once you start tracking this kind of a information, you will understand the importance of these informations. Why? The why part, if you just comment, I'll be giving each and every details that why it is important, but in a brief. When company is doing a fundraising, not through a debt, through equity, maybe they are diluting, maybe promoter is putting skin in the game, and he's also participating. So many things. So how you interpret those corporate filings, no, that is very important. Allow apart from that, there are different way of fundraising. QIP, preferential issue, right issue, conversion, FCCBs, many way of fundraising will be there. So we kept few very important ways of fundraising so one can track easily. If you put on a preferential issue, you'll be seeing that STL network got a preferential issue on a 18th. So from there, no, if you track the stock, it has moved from almost from 18-19 rupees to 29-30 rupees, almost a 50% plus return it has generated. So these are now you are looking at a technical breakout, but some are looking at a that okay, promoter is buying at a 24 rupees. That means he is confident. And it is a company, which is a doing a AMC related work. So I don't want to talk on that in this video, but this preferential issue, if you are tracking on a 18th or 19th, you would have sitting on a 40-50% gain, which maybe some smart investors are doing. So now my point is, say domestic order, you want to track certain orders. So you'll be getting Atul Auto, Indian Hume Pipe. So this kind of a order information also you will get over here. That any kind of a commencement of a production you want to track, the company is doing some product capacity addition, HSCL. So you are getting all inflection point because these are the thing, which is going to decide the future earning. People are looking numbers, but these are the corporate action which is going to how company execute that depends. Capacity expansion can also go in when if it is not a right way executed. But you are getting all the information. So once you are getting in the informations, you are collecting. So you are more organized. Now you know the how company is going to perform in next quarter or next 2-3 quarter because you know some anode material production is going to going on a like for HSCL, and they are doing some production, and it is going to commence. So these are very, very important information which I feel. And few smart investor, they track open offers, some change in management, some new management is coming, and some inflection points are coming in that particular company. So this is very important. Open offer is not everyone cup of tea. If you are not tracking, initially you may not, but very smart people, they do track open offer. Whenever the change in management comes, no, every turnaround, a retail, I would say that they should avoid unless you know that how to play it. Sometime a capital reduction for NCLT, many thing may happen, open offer may get cancelled. So better that slowly, slowly try to understand all this open offer part. And it once you are, and because here some smart people also are using, if they are accustomed with open offer, they may track. Apart from that, board meeting, AGM, financial result, any default or fraud happened. So all red flag related thing also you will be getting in a one page. PDSL, Mangalam, Radiant CMS. So these are red flags. So you are cautious. Okay, fine. So these are negative or positive. Whatever it is, how you interpret it, it depends on you. But our platform, it will give you all the information, important informations. So in one click, you will be able to segregate. So I hope this corporate filing will create a real edge for you, and you will be making a lot more informed decisions. Not only looking at a technical chart, also you'll be understanding there is a behind the scenes story, and this is happening. So company is raising a fund where promoter is participating. Maybe there is something good. That is why he is confident at this valuation. So these are the points no one has to connect. And now if you look at this corporate filing section, you can change the date also. You want to track from a previous any particular date you want to track, you can track and check. I hope you'll be using this section properly, and really looking forward from all users that you'll be putting your all your comments that how you are using, are you getting a benefit out of this application? Because this application I just kept for only people who are hovering in a different places or tips, all these things, but they are not. If you are really confident, if you want to build your framework, just use this platform or any other platform very confident way. So we tried, so every retail should become a smart retail, and they should behave in a different manner. So once you start behaving in a different manner, your direction is different. So don't look at only chart, don't look at only numbers. Look at the beyond the few things which decide the number that we have given in a corporate filing section. Hope it will help everyone.